Welcome to the all-in-one Hyrox Tracker. This template is suitable for both beginners and elite Hyrox athletes. When we scroll through the template, you can see there is a chapter with all the different Hyrox exercises. Beside the most important exercise running, there are tips for SkiErg, sled push, sled pull, burpee broad jumps, rowing, farmer's carry, sandbag lunges and wall balls. Whenever you're planning a new training or race, simply click on the plus sign and choose training or race. You can train for a Hyrox race in more than 100 different ways. That is why we let you choose your exercise, sets, reps, weight and distance for every training. Click in the space below exercises to choose the exercises you are going to train. You don't need to fill in everything for every exercise. For example, for rowing and SkiErg, distance and time is important. And for wall balls, reps, weight and time is important. Before the training starts, you fill in the values you know. For this example, we know we're going to do 100 reps of weight of 6 kilo balls, and for rowing and SkiErg we do 1000 meter distance. During or after the training, we fill in our time in minutes and in seconds. This gives us a total time. If you completed the exercise, you fill in the checkbox. Whatever you fill in during or after your training will be exported to training stats. In the first screen you can see all the exercises, and when we click through, we can see a filter used on every exercise. Let's go to SkiErg for example. In this way it's easy to compare your time per exercise. If you were planning to have a race, let's say for example the 15th of March, you click on new race, you change the date to the date of the race, and you can find your results at the Hyrox page. You can write over your results into Notion so you can compare your results of every race. You can compare your results in race stats. The first view gives you a total overview of all the exercises. You can also click on different filters to check out the different times you had during races on the different exercises. In this way you know in what part of the race you made progression and in what part of the race you lost some time. With this data you know what you can train better for the next races. Last but not least, there are tips and tricks. You can take a few here to be fully prepared for your next race. Thank you for purchasing the Hyrox Tracker and good luck on your Hyrox progression.